Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Miss Art, and today I'm going to show you how to use torrent trackers and what is the best site for 2021. So I found this website called Tax-Free. I'm using it for something like 2 to 3 years. It's always updating due to your month in the year. Today we can see it's August 2021. If you get to this website 2 months later, it will be October, so it's always updating. So what you need to do first is go and scroll down until you see all of these addresses. What you need to do is copy those addresses. You can go down to the end. After you copy all of them, Command C or Control C, or by using copy, you can go to your Utorrent, BitTorrent, whatever torrent you're using. I'll choose this one for an example. Right click, properties, and then test. You need to notice that you have a spacebar between every address, at least it won't work. And that's it. You click OK, and then you'll see the speed is going up and the elapsed time is going down. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Have a good day.